If you're over 30 and struggling with stubborn weight despite eating less, your metabolism likely isn't responding. Mitolyn is a 100% natural formula designed to fix this at the cellular level. As we age, cellular energy drops and inflammation rises. This isn't a discipline issue, it's a metabolic support issue. Mitolyn uses 6 plant-based ingredients: maqui berry, rhodiola, hematococcus, amla, theobroma cacao, and schisandra to repair your cells without stimulants or jitters. How to use: take 1 capsule daily with water, preferably at breakfast. For permanent results, consistency for 3 to 6 months is key, as cellular repair takes time. Please note that due to high demand, fakes are everywhere on Amazon and eBay. Mitolyn is only sold through the official website. I've placed the verified link in the description and comments to ensure you get the real product with the 90-day guarantee. Do order Mitolyn today and start fixing your metabolism safely. Do subscribe for more honest reviews.